Actually, you can see here it's a 448 and our total हाँ भाई आ गई अभी total distance is 23,292 kilometers and you can see our bikes here. So we'll start from here. It's almost 448. So let's start the journey, guys.
Full on. 0 4
And on the map we are here at exactly we are in the place near to Metikurke. So what happened actually there, the route was misleaded and we came here and still we are need to go to almost 448 kilometers, and so we just stopped here and we are taking a breakfast, and from here we will start again back. See our bikes. We just crossed the Haveri and we have now almost 277 kilometers to go, and you can see how the stretch it looks here and the beautiful hills, crops and everything. So actually we came Kolhapur now. What's time, bro, now?
now 6:05
6:05 and now we are we're going to get darshana. ये भैया किसको पैसा भी देना है क्या भैया? आके क्यों देंगे?
ये टोटल 500 का हो गया,
550 रुपये पूरा।
We are at the temple and you can see how it looks actually.
हेलो
So we came at almost at 6:05 and now we are entering inside. Today another log. Today we left from Bangalore and this is our first day of visiting the Jyotirlingas, and so we are decided to go to few Jyotirlingas from Maharashtra and Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. So this is our first day and we left from Bangalore and here we are in Kolhapur Mahalakshmi temple. So you can see the beautiful temple here, Mahalakshmi temple. It has a very story of history when you go into the history books, because it belongs to the Rashtrakuta kingdom, and again Chalukyas also do here. So a lot of stories it holds, and the beautiful temple. So here we came today at almost 6:20 and the crowd was full, and they said that it will take almost 3 hours. So just we gave one direct darshana, we got it, and from darshana we just got in 2 minutes, and inside actually the photo and videos are not like allowed, so they will be prohibited. And you can see these are the gates actually. In this temple there are totally 4 gates is there. So this is the first gate and other gates are that side, and you can see the stambas also here. So I will just walk around the temple and I will show you how it looks tonight. The time ranks at 6:40 and almost it's got a darken. So here I got from Sigra Darshana, we need to pay and they will allow you from here. From this way we went and it took almost just some few minutes. And if you go for the normal darshan, here you will come. I'm just walking around the temple and to show you. This is too much old temple actually. You can see by the stones, architecture and all. You can see the temples. See the architectural design, how it looks actually. Actually, you can see. If you get into the history, the temple is actually has a ancient significance and the history. So this temple, someone says that it belongs to the Jain temple, and some says that it's a Hindu temple, but it's a Hindu temple that belongs to the Ambabai, that we call as a Kolhapur Mahalakshmi, and people say that she is the wife of the Balaji, like in Tirupati. And in the Hinduism, as per the mythologically, the like it is one of the Shakti Pita, and where the goddess Sati's three eyes fell down and make it as a crucial sites of the our Mahapurana, the Shakti Pita of 18 Shakti Pitas. See, if you guys are going for pre-darshana, you can need to do like pre-darshana lines. It will take almost 2 to 3 hours to get this darshana, but we took darshana in just almost 3 to 4 minutes only. I will send each anything from a temple where I will visit this entire trip. So from Kolhapur Mahalakshmi I got this, and who want comment in my YouTube channel, I'm going to hand over this to them. So please subscribe my channel.
calendar